Welcome to our guide on the best camping chairs. When it comes to camping, having a comfortable chair to relax in can make all the difference. Whether you're roasting marshmallows by the campfire or taking a break from a long hike, a good camping chair is a must-have item. In this video, we'll be showcasing some of the best camping chairs on the market, from lightweight and portable options to heavy-duty models that can withstand the elements. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into our top picks for the best camping chairs. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. Kijaro Dual Lock Portable Camping Chairs. The Kijaro Dual Lock Portable Camping Chairs are an excellent choice for anyone looking for a comfortable and durable camping chair. The dual lock technology ensures that the chair stays in place when you sit down, providing stability and security. The chair's seat and backrest are made of a breathable mesh fabric that keeps you cool and comfortable, even on hot summer days. One of the standout features of these chairs is their convenience. They fold up quickly and easily and come with a carrying bag, making them easy to transport and store. They are also lightweight, making them a great choice for backpackers and hikers. Overall, the Kijaro Dual Lock Portable Camping Chairs are a great investment for anyone who loves camping or spending time outdoors. They're well-made, comfortable, and easy to transport, making them an excellent choice for any outdoor adventure. Number 2. Coleman Camping Chair. The Coleman camping chair with built-in fork and cooler is a great addition to any camping trip or outdoor event. The chair is comfortable with padded arms and a supportive backrest. The built-in cooler is a convenient feature that keeps up to 4 cans of your favorite beverage cold and easily accessible. The cooler is also detachable, making it easy to clean and pack away. The chair is made from high-quality materials and is sturdy enough to support up to 325 pounds. It is easy to set up and take down, and the compact design makes it easy to transport. One downside to this chair is that the cooler is not very large and can only hold 4 cans, which may not be enough for some people. Additionally, the chair is a bit bulky when folded up, which may take up more space in your car camping gear. Overall, the Coleman camping chair is a great investment for anyone who enjoys camping or outdoor events. It is comfortable, sturdy, and convenient, making it a great addition to any outdoor adventure. Number 3. Alpha Camp Oversized Camping Folding Chair. The Alpha Camp Oversized Camping Folding Chair is a fantastic option for those looking for a comfortable and sturdy chair for their outdoor adventures. The chair's oversized design allows for plenty of room to sit comfortably, and the steel frame can support up to 450 pounds, making it suitable for people of all sizes. One of the standout features of this chair is its durability. The steel frame is powder-coated to prevent rust and corrosion, and the fabric is made from a high-quality Oxford material that is both UV-resistant and water-resistant. This means that the chair can withstand the elements and last for many camping trips to come. The chair also comes with a convenient cup holder and side pocket for storing snacks, phones, or other small items. Additionally, it folds up easily and comes with a carrying bag for easy transport and storage. Overall, the Alpha Camp Oversized Camping Folding Chair is a great investment for anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors and wants a comfortable and durable chair to relax in. Number 4. Cascade Mountain Tech Camping Chair. The Cascade Mountain Tech Camping Chair is a great investment for any outdoor enthusiast. It's lightweight, compact, and incredibly sturdy. This chair is perfect for camping, hiking, picnicking, or any outdoor activity where you need a comfortable and reliable seat. The chair is made from high-quality materials that are both durable and weather-resistant. The frame is constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, which is lightweight yet strong enough to support up to 250 pounds. The seat and backrest are made from a breathable mesh fabric that allows for air circulation, keeping you cool and comfortable on hot days. One of the best features of this chair is its portability. It comes with a carrying bag that makes it easy to transport and store. The chair folds up easily and quickly, so you can set it up and take it down in no time. Overall, the Cascade Mountain Tech Camping Chair is an excellent choice for anyone who loves the outdoors. It's comfortable, durable, and easy to transport, making it a must-have for any camping or outdoor adventure. Number 5. CLIQ Portable Chair Camping Chairs. The CLIQ Portable Chair is a game-changer for camping chairs. The chair is incredibly lightweight and folds down to a compact size, making it easy to transport and store. The chair's unique design allows it to be set up in seconds without any assembly required. The chair is also very sturdy and can support up to 300 pounds. One of the standout features of the CLIQ Portable Chair is its comfort. The chair is designed to contour to your body, providing excellent support and comfort for hours on end. The chair also sits at a comfortable height, making it easy to get in and out of. Overall, the CLIQ portable chair is an excellent investment for anyone who enjoys camping, tailgating, or outdoor events. The chair's portability, durability, and comfort make it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information. Thank you.